Shri Sai Ram. From today's class, let us discuss about the problems inside the chapter perimeter and area. The first example problem is the length and breadth of a rectangular room are 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the perimeter of the room. Given length 4 meter, breadth 3 meter. So the perimeter of the rectangular room is 2L plus 2B. L means length, B means breadth. That is 2 length plus 2 breadth. That is 2 into 4 plus 2 into 3. 2 4s are 8 plus 2 3s are 6. That is 8 plus 6 is 14 meter. Therefore, the perimeter of the rectangle is 14 meter. A rectangular garden measuring 10 meter long and 8 meter broad is to be fenced 4 times with barbed wire. Find the length of the barbed wire required. So this is the second problem. So given is length is 10 meter and breadth is 8 meter. So the perimeter of the rectangular garden is 2L plus 2B, that is 2 length plus 2 breadth, that is 2 into 10 plus 2 into 8, that is 20. 2 into 10 is 20 and 2 into 8 is 16, that is 20 plus 16 is 36 meter. The length of the barbed wire required to fence the garden 4 times, that is 4 into perimeter, that is 4 into 36 meter is 144 meter. Question 1. What are two-dimensional figures called? The two-dimensional figures are called plane figures. Name the two dimensions of a rectangle. The two dimensions of a rectangle are length and breadth. How many pairs of opposite sides are there in rectangle? There are two pairs of opposite sides in rectangle, that is 2 length and 2 breadth. How are the opposite sides in a rectangle? So opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So the length are equal and breadth are equal. 2 breadths are equal and 2 length are equal. Question 5. How many times is the perimeter of a rectangle to the sum of its length and breadth? That is twice. Perimeter of a rectangle to the sum of the length and breadth is twice. So 2L plus 2 breadth, 2L plus 2B is the perimeter of the rectangle. That is 2 length plus 2 breadth is the perimeter of a rectangle. That is 2 times the length and 2 times the breadth is perimeter of a rectangle, that is twice. See, here you are seeing a window. The length is 90 centimeter and breadth is 70 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the perimeter. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 2L plus 2B, that is 2 length plus 2 breadth, that is 2 into 70 plus 2 into 90, that is 140 plus 180. That is 320 centimeters. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 length plus 2 breadth, that is 2L plus 2B, that is 2 into 70 plus 2 into 90, that is 2 into 70 is 140 and 2 into 90 is 180. 180 plus 140 is 320 centimeters. So the perimeter is 320 centimeters. Here you are seeing a painting. The length of the painting is 60 centimeter and breadth of the painting is 24 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the perimeter. That is, the perimeter of the rectangle is 2L plus 2B, that is 2 length plus 2 breadth, that is 2 into 60 plus 2 into 24. 2 into 60 is 120, 2 into 24 is 48, 120 plus 48 is equal to 168 centimeters. So the perimeter is 168 centimeters. Now we are seeing a blackboard. The length of the blackboard is 153 centimeters and breadth of the blackboard is 122 centimeters. So now we have to calculate the perimeter of the blackboard. So let us add 153 plus 122, that is 153 plus 100 is 253, 253 plus 20 is 273, 283, 283, 283 plus 2 is 285. So we have got 285. When we 285, now we should multiply 285 into 2, that is that is 285 into 2 is 550. That is, see here, the perimeter of the rectangle is 2L plus 2 breadth, that is 2 length plus 2 breadth, that is 2 into 153 plus 2 into 122, that is 2 into 153 is 306 and 2 into 122 is 244. 306 plus 244 is 550 centimeter. What I did before is I took 2 as the common, I took 2 away and I added 153 plus 122. When I add 153 plus 122, we got 285. And then we should multiply 285 into 2. If we is 285 into 2, if we multiply 285 into 2, we get 550 centimeters. Now we have got a calculator. In calculator, in the calculator, the length is 6 centimeters and breadth is 3 centimeters. And now what I will do, now we have to calculate the perimeter of the calculator. So I will add 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. So the same thing they have done in a different way. That is 2 length plus 2 breadth. That is 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 6 is 12. 6 plus 12 is 18 centimeters. So the perimeter is 18 centimeters. Now we have got a computer. Now we should calculate the perimeter of the computer. So the length of the computer is 92 centimeters and breadth is 80 centimeters. Now what will we do? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 length plus 2 breadth, that is 2 into 92 plus 2 into 80, that is 184 plus 160, that is equal to 344 centimeter. 344 centimeters the perimeter of the computer. Now they have given length and breadth of rectangles and we have to find the perimeters. So let us see the perimeter of the first rectangle. The perimeter of the first rectangle is 2. The perimeter of the first rectangle is 2 length plus 2 breadth. So the length is 2 and breadth is 3. That is 2 into 2 plus 2 into 3. That is 2 into 4 plus 6. That is 10 centimeters. The perimeter of a rectangle, they have given the perimeter of a second rectangle. To calculate the perimeter of the second rectangle, we should know the length and breadth. The length of the second rectangle is 2 and the breadth of the second rectangle is 4. Therefore, 2 into 2 plus 2 into 4, that is 4 plus 8, that is 12 centimeters. The length of the third rectangle is 3 and breadth of the third rectangle is 4. That is, the perimeter of the third rectangle is 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4, that is 6 plus 8, that is 4 centimeters. To calculate the perimeter of a rectangle, you should know this formula. 2L plus 2 breadth. L means length, B means breadth. The perimeter of the fourth rectangle we have to calculate. So the length of the fourth rectangle is 5 and breadth of the fourth rectangle is 4. That is, perimeter of the fourth rectangle is 2 into 5 plus 2 into 4. That is 10 plus 8. That is 18 centimeters. Now we have got the length of the fifth rectangle is 5 and breadth of the fifth rectangle is 2. So the perimeter of the fifth rectangle is 2 into 5 plus 2 into 2, that is 10 plus 4, that is 14 centimeters. And again in the sixth rectangle, the length is 3 and breadth is 6. So the perimeter of the sixth rectangle is 2 into 3 plus 2 into 6, that is 6 plus 12, that is 18 centimeters. So the seventh rectangle, in the seventh rectangle, the length is 4 and breadth is 6. So 2 into 4 plus 2 into 6, that is 8 plus 12 is 20 centimeters. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 20 centimeters. So the length of the eighth rectangle is 5 centimeters and breadth is 6 centimeters. So the perimeter of the eighth rectangle is 2 into 5 plus 2 into 6, that is 10 plus 12, that is 22 centimeters. The length of the ninth rectangle is 8 and breadth of the ninth rectangle is 6. That is, the perimeter of the ninth rectangle is 2 into 8 plus 2 into 6, that is 16 plus 12, that is 28 centimeters. The length of the tenth rectangle is 7 centimeters and the breadth of the 10th rectangle is 9 centimeters. So the perimeter of the 10th rectangle is 2 into 7 plus 2 into 9, that is 14 plus 18, that is 32 centimeters. Thank you. Om Shri Sai Ram.